Hello, beautiful people. I greet you all according to your time. Where my people, this is a great news and a breaking news. Now, all know that about some days ago, about 5 or 6 days ago, we they kidnap our boys from Castina Secondary School, Kakara. Now they have released them. That is a great news, number one news. Once in history, where good news still come out from there because all those our guests where they kidnapped some years ago, up till today, nobody know how about whether they still they alive or they not they alive. Well, the governor of Katsina State you make a news that the boys have been released. My question is that my people, because where these people come kidnap all those our boys because they came with bike. How can a one bike carry about 300 students? My people, because yesterday, this picture one and they see so he release video and he still release the reason why he kidnap all those our girls and all those our boys wey dey still kidnap about some days ago. To me, I make a video about it, say how all those people take get to news or even send a message, even send a SMS they send or all those kind of thing. How? Because this thing, there's something that is not, the something is not clear at all because all these people where they come with bike. Okay, first of all, bike cannot take 3 people. They did not even came with a motor or a truck or any other thing. They came with bike. How many they take kidnap all those 300 students? For oh my God. Where for me, I believe say government and all those people they have something in common because if they don't have anything in common, I see no reason because how they take reason how they take make the contact, my people, because this thing it's like they are all using it to punish the masses there and they are all use I don't even know how to describe it because there's some audio what I go like to play the audio for una make una lis ten to wetin the people wey kidnap our boys wetin dey talk about the audio, just that I no dey hear their language but they translating on English language. I will leave the video for you guys to lis ten because this thing, my people, they are just using it to whether to make money or to create more havoc in that Nigeria. I don't really know because Nigeria really need God intervene. That is the only thing that will make that country move forward because the something still not clear to me and I still believe that a lot of people the something not clear because if you look at it, the first time where they kidnap all those our boys and how they take release them, definitely if they want release all those kind of people, they must surely make contact or phone call or send message telegram or whatever because through all those things, my people, they fit detect where all those this picture one and they see so where all those people they stay. It's like this Buhari regime is like they have something in common. Una know say some months ago wey EndSARS and this thing wey UK parliament intervene, I believe say na make because if they know say this thing na the government UK government they will still intervene, I believe say na make them release all those our boys. Where I really thank God for all all those our boys and their family, their relative and everything, because it's not really easy. Some days where the poor people where they take they will leave the picture for una make una see it. No, that Nigeria is not safe, my people, because if you really look at it, the inside the something, even the story where they even give heart and everything, the something not even dey genuine. There's something hidden that they don't want to reveal to a lot of people, because as I talk before, my people, they came with a bike. One bike cannot carry 300 students. It can never. And they even came with a car. Even car sef, e no fit carry 300 people, except maybe all those, because well, my people, I go leave the picture of all those our students where they live, and I thank God for their life and everything, that at least they'll fit celebrate Christmas and New Year with their family, because it's not really easy where your child wey you send to school is some days you no see that pikin. It's not easy, my people. Well, the governor of the Katsina say the adopted student of the Governor Science Secondary School Kakara has been rescued. The Katsina State government have confirmed the news. Allah Mudali. Well, that's yours with my people. I just pray. And the other one said, he said that we have protect and secure all our schools. We are going to increase the number of security operating in our school to make sure that we do not experience what we have experienced in the past 6 days. We want to encourage communities around those schools to inform another security unit around the school. That is Amina Bello. We had to waiting governor of Katsina State talk. I just pray that my people, that as they talk, they keep to their promise, that because all those schools or that area, they need security to guide the student, because it's not really easy where child will go school, at the end will return back home. Now see wetin happen about 5 years ago, all till today nobody know about all those our guests. All till now, it's just like the news just close from there. Nobody even dey talk about how the girls, whether they see they are alive, whether they know they are alive. Where I really thank God for those our boys, that they came home safely with their family, and the government even said that they will take all those children to medical examination. Where I just pray they keep to it, and I really thank God. The video that I said that I will upload that for you guys to listen, because it's not allowed here. If you want to watch the video, you go to Insta blog on Instagram. You will see the video there, how they translate it and everything. Where guys, let me leave you guys. What do you think about this video? Leave your comment in a comment section down below. Thank you guys. Bye. I think I come on Wednesday. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.